or unexpected medical bills like a boss. Ever had that sinking feeling after a surprise trip to the doctor? Yeah, me too. Health insurance is like your superhero cape, protecting you from those financial villains. Understanding health insurance. So, what exactly is health insurance? It's basically a safety net that helps you manage healthcare costs. Think of it like a monthly subscription that covers a portion of your medical expenses, like doctor visits, prescriptions, and even hospital stays. Let's break down some key terms you'll encounter. Premium. Imagine your health insurance plan as a subscription service, similar to Netflix. The premium is the monthly fee you pay to keep your coverage active. This fee allows you to access the plan's benefits, like doctor visits, prescriptions, and hospital stays, depending on the plan. Think of it as your investment in healthcare security. Deductible. The deductible is like your first line of defense in terms of healthcare costs. It's the amount you have to pay out of pocket for covered medical services before your insurance company starts sharing the burden. Think of it like a high copay, but spread out over various covered services until you reach that amount. Once you meet your deductible, your insurance kicks in and starts paying a portion of the costs according to the plan's terms. Copay. A copay is a fixed dollar amount you typically pay for certain covered services, like a doctor visit or prescription refill. It's like a mini out-of-pocket expense you contribute towards the cost of that specific service. Unlike the deductible, you might have copays even after meeting your deductible. Co-insurance. Co-insurance is like a team effort between you and your insurance company for covered medical expenses after you've met your deductible. Imagine the bill as a pie. You pay a percentage of the bill, your co-insurance, and your insurance pays the remaining portion, up to a limit outlined in your plan. For example, a plan might have a 20% co-insurance, meaning you'd be responsible for 20% of the bill after the deductible, and your insurance would cover the remaining 80%. Network. The network is a group of doctors, hospitals, and other healthcare providers that your insurance plan has contracted with to offer discounted rates. Think of it as a preferred provider list. Using in-network providers typically means lower out-of-pocket costs for you because they've negotiated lower rates with your insurance company. It's generally more expensive to go outside the network. Why is health insurance important? Imagine this: you wake up with a mysterious illness. Suddenly, a trip to the doctor turns into a hospital stay. Without health insurance, those bills can pile up faster than you can say ouch. Health insurance helps you manage these costs and gives you peace of mind, knowing you're covered for unexpected health events. Choosing the right plan for you. Now, picking the perfect health insurance plan is like finding your soulmate. It's all about compatibility. Here's what to consider. Budget. How much can you comfortably afford for monthly premiums? Your budget is the key factor in choosing a health insurance plan. It's like figuring out how much you can spend on groceries each month. Think realistically about how much you can comfortably afford for the monthly premium payment. Consider your income, current expenses, and how much you're willing to potentially pay out of pocket, deductible, copays. Health needs. Do you have any pre-existing conditions? Do you need regular medication? Your health needs are unique to you. Consider any pre-existing health conditions you have, like asthma or diabetes. Do you need regular medication? Choosing a plan with strong coverage for your specific needs is crucial. Look for plans that cover your medications, offer specialists you might need, and have benefits for managing pre-existing conditions. Doctors. Do you have a preferred doctor or network? Do you have a favorite doctor or a specific healthcare provider you want to stick with? Many plans have networks of doctors and hospitals. Choosing a plan with your preferred doctor in-network can save you money because they've negotiated lower rates with the insurance company. Prescription coverage. Does the plan cover your medications? Prescription medications can be expensive. Make sure the plan you choose offers coverage for the medications you need. Look for details on how much the plan covers for prescriptions, any limitations on specific types of drugs, and potential copay costs for different tiers of medications. Alright, adventurers. You're now equipped with the knowledge to conquer the health insurance beast. But remember, this is just the first step. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into specific plans and how to choose the perfect one for you. For now, hit that subscribe button and join the Health Insurance Champion Squad. In the comments below, let me know what other questions you have about health insurance. See you on the next adventure.